LCM and HCF using prime factorization. Hello students. Today, we are going to learn an exciting math concept, LCM and HCF using prime factorization. Let's start. Let's see what are we going to learn today. Firstly, we will understand how to find LCM and HCF by listing out multiples and factors. Then, we will use prime factorization to find HCF and LCM as well. Before we jump in, let's get familiar with some important terms. HCF, it stands for the highest common factor of two numbers. It is the biggest number that can perfectly divide two numbers. LCM, it stands for the lowest common multiple of two numbers. It is the smallest number that both numbers can fit into. Let's start with LCM. Find the LCM of 12 and 16. We know that multiples are numbers we get when we multiply the number by 1, 2, 3, and so on. If we look at the multiples of 12, it is 12, 24, 36, 48, 60. And if we look at the multiples of 16, it is 16, 32, 48, 64, 80. Do you see any number that appears in both lists? Yes, it's 48. So, the LCM of 12 and 16 is 48. Now, let's study HCF. Find the HCF of 12 and 16. We already know that factors are numbers that divide into a number exactly, without leaving any remainder. Listing the factors of 12, we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. And for 16, it is 1, 2, 4, 8, 16. Which is the biggest number that appears in both lists? It's 4. So, the HCF of 12 and 16 is 4. Now, let's learn how to use prime factorization to find LCM and HCF. LCM and HCF of large numbers can be found using prime factorization by the following steps. 1. Write each number as a product of its prime factors. 2. Place the prime factors of both numbers in a Venn diagram. 3. Calculate the LCM and HCF from the Venn diagram. Let's practice with an example. We'll find the LCM and HCF of 60 and 84. Write each number as a product of its prime factors. Now 60 can be written as 2 and 30, because 2 times 30 is 60. Similarly, 30 can be written as 2 and 15, because 30 is 2 times 15. And then so on for 15. For 84, we have 2, 42. Now, 42 becomes 2 and 21. Similarly, 21 becomes 3 and 7. Place the prime factors of both numbers in a Venn diagram like this. Now, calculate the LCM and HCF from the Venn diagram. Here, LCM is found by multiplying all the numbers in the Venn diagram. So, by multiplying all these numbers, LCM is equal to 420. For HCF, the numbers in the intersection of the Venn diagram are multiplied together. Hence, HCF is equal to 12. Now it's your turn. Pause the video and try to find the LCM and HCF of 24 and 30. Remember the steps we discussed and use prime factorization. Let's discuss the solution. Here's how you do it. For 24, the prime factors are 2, 2, 2, and 3. For 30, the prime factors are 2, 3, and 5. When you place them in a Venn diagram and calculate, you'll find the LCM is 120 and the HCF is 6. We hope that you have understood the topic. You can now study chapter notes, watch video lectures and solve MCQ tests of this chapter on Eduref to ensure you score well in your school exams. And that's not all. You also get amazing courses for maths, science, English, Hindi, and much more for class 5th. Thank you.